But we got one hell of a banger of a video for you today. We're going to be installing these 2-inch auxiliary lights on Timmy's 2014 Suzuki V-Strom 1000, so stay tuned. Alright, we're just going to start with a simple unboxing. Now these are by NovSight or NovSight, I don't know which way you would say it, but they're 2-inch off-road pod lights. They're pretty heavy duty and they're called Cyber 1. How cool is that? But they got yellow, they do yellow, white, and yellow and white together. So you can use these in the fog, whatever you want to use them in, just to see. You know, you might get trapped at night and you need extra light, who knows. Got the instruction booklet there. Got 2 of the pod lights, pretty heavy duty, it's like cat eyes. Timmy's gonna be looking like a little snake going down the road or something. You get the mounting brackets, of course, that go. You can put them on the crash bars, a few other ways. We don't know exactly what we're gonna do yet, but you got those. You got all kind of wiring in here, a little control box. You got screws. It even comes with a switch that you can alternate through the white, yellow, and combination. So you get all that in the box. It's all neatly packaged, as you can see. It's pretty good for a Chinese-based company. Getting impressed with the stuff they sending over. And just for the record, we didn't pay for these. NovSight, or NovSight, however you say that. They sent them to us to try out. Timmy's been wanting some lights. I got some on my bike and he's been wanting some on his. Because we plan on doing some night rides at some point and trying to change up the YouTube adventure game a little bit. So let's get everything took out, laid out, and to see where we're gonna put them. We'll show you a quick install. Not gonna show you everything about it because it's pretty common sense. You got a positive, negative, auxiliary switch, but we'll go through it. And this will work on any bike, by the way, and the mounting options you'll just have to come up with on your own. But let's get everything unboxed and put on the table, and we'll get everything put on the bike. I want to give y'all a better look at with all this stuff out of the box. I said you get 2 lights, get 2 brackets like that, 2 clamp brackets that go on like crash bars and something like that if you want to mount them to your crash bars. Get the 3-way switch. Get the control box with all the wires on it, plenty enough wire, inline fuse, and then you get your wire extensions to actually hook to your lights as well. So it's all well packaged. They even give you zip ties, which is pretty cool, and all your mounting hardware. So we got the bike getting prepped now. We get them put on here. We'll show you a little bit of the process and we'll see what we come up with as far as mounting them on Timmy's bike. If you're doing this on a 14 up V-Strom, what we did to hide the wires, just lifted that panel, run that wire down through there, run it behind the motor mount, and it's out right there. The lights are gonna go in this area. And right here, these things are pretty self-explanatory. They got 3 little holes in them. 3 little holes with like a little ear sticking up off of there. You can see it. All you gotta do is connect them. They're all waterproof connections. And you got this box, and then you'll have 3 wires hooked to the battery. Hadn't got that far yet. Keep on moving though. We'll show you that process too. Okay, on your switch, you're gonna have this little metal bracket that's in the package. It takes 2 little tiny screws and you just screw it right back in the back of there, and you can mount this to your clutch housing, wherever you want to mount it, but that's not in the instructions, so I just wanted to make that clear. But we got all the wires run. Timmy's actually making some brackets to go down there where we're gonna mount the lights. And on this battery hookup, all you got to do, this is for an accessory if you just want the lights to be able to be switched on and off when the actual bike is running. And you got a power wire and a ground wire. We're just gonna take the ground wire, hook it to the battery, and we're going to take our power and our accessory and hook it to the battery. That means as soon as you push the lights, it'll come on without the switch being on, which is fine. Just have to remember to cut them off. You're not going to use them that much, or you might use them every time, but that is in the instructions. If you don't want the accessory, just wire them together. If not, just find you a fuse or something. Like I said, this is universal for every bike, so don't pay attention to it. If you don't have a V-Strom, it'll work on anything, but this is just showing you a little bit how we're doing it on a 14 V-Strom 1000. There they are, all mounted up. Timmy made this little flat bracket to go in between these Givy crash bar, little brace right there. It comes with these little things that you can mount directly on the tubes, and it does fit, but it wasn't sitting at the right angle to get them in a position he wanted. So just put them on there just like that. Look pretty good on there. Sort of blend into the bike. Get Timmy over here and we'll cut them on and see what all the functions they do and see what they look like in the daylight. Then we'll get some dark shots as well. All right, y'all know I ain't technical, This is like a 5700K, whatever that means on the white. You go ahead and hit the white, Timmy. There's the white. You see? Pretty bright. All right, cut that off. And they got a yellow function. Hit that yellow. This is like 3K yellow. It'll be hard to pick up in the daylight on camera, but that's good vision for people seeing you coming down the road. All right, cut that one off. And they got one more function. Hit that function. Look at that. Oh, BMW, baby, BMW. He's a GS rider. Hit it again. He does something else. Oh, slow blinking. Yep, and hit it again. Oh, flash. Oh, look at that, cop. Woo, 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 woo.
There goes your roadside maintenance.
See if you got in trouble. Got it. Let's see if it does anything else. Hit it one more time.
There went one more right there.
Oh, and then hold it down. You cut it off. Uh-oh. That was slow that time. There it goes. Now we'll go put it over here in the dark and we'll see what they look like in a night shot. See how bright they actually are. Forgot one thing before we get this night shot. The switch is clean on this thing. It's got that little bracket, like I said, hooks right to your clutch perch bolt. And it's just super clean. Looks well built, sturdy. All the wiring was good. Pretty good kit. Let's go see what this thing looks like in the dark. I want to see. We're in an undisclosed location in the Bearded Grump warehouse. It's not super dark, but dark enough for this test. Now that's just a normal V-strom headlight. Hit that white, Timmy. There's the whites, 57K right there, 5700K. That's pretty bright. You can hit lights up, it's way brighter than the headlight. All right, cut that one off. Go to yellow. Look at the yellow. That's your BMW mode. Fog, people to see you while you're driving down the road during the day. All right, cut that one off. Let's go flashing on them. Let's go cops. Look at that flash mode. It's pretty cool. Lighten up the roof. Oh, slow blink. Look at that. Oh, that's the club right there.
That's the BMW.
Yeah, that's the BMW club, like you're in a club.
Everybody get away from me. I'm on the BMW.
And that's the slow beat. And there you go. All right, that's pretty much it. And one function I forgot on this thing, you can put the white and yellow on at the same time, which is pretty cool. I don't know what function you use that for, but hopefully one day we're gonna do some night riding, because that's what we want to do, cross some creeks and stuff at night, do something a little different. That's pretty much it for this one. So thank you to NovSight for sending these lights to us and trying out. We'll give you a long-term review, but they're just lights. Like I said, we didn't show you all the wiring and stuff. Pretty self-explanatory if you're mechanically inclined. But stay tuned for future videos. Me and Timmy is getting ready. Probably while y'all watching this video, we'll be on the Kentucky Adventure Trail. Should be a fun one. Should be the most challenging ride we've probably ever done. Will my back hold up? Who knows? It's gonna be about 7 days. We'll see. As always, appreciate y'all watching. If you hadn't already, hammer the shit out of that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be alerted when new content comes out. See y'all in the next one.
Later, bitch.